What military customs should visitors be aware of on a base? If you are planning to visit a military base, it is essential to know the customs and protocols that will help you navigate your visit smoothly. First and foremost, you will need proper identification and authorization to enter. This means you should be sponsored by a military member or possess a valid military identification card. Your sponsor will likely need to arrange a pass for you in advance, which involves providing personal information for background checks. When driving onto the base, make sure to carry a government-issued photo identification card, vehicle registration, and proof of insurance. Expect to undergo vehicle searches and identification checks at the gate. It is important to comply with these procedures without complaint, as they are standard practice for security. Once you are on the base, be aware of the strict rules regarding prohibited items. Weapons, ammunition, drugs, alcohol, and recording devices like cameras or smartphones with cameras are generally not allowed unless you have specific authorization. Smoking and vaping are restricted to designated areas, and you must dispose of cigarette butts properly. Military etiquette is also vital when interacting with personnel. For instance, when you are on the quarterdeck, which is a ceremonial area, you should refrain from smoking, eating, or walking across it unnecessarily. If you see a member of the military salute, you should return the salute as a sign of respect. Be cautious about entering officers or chief petty officers' living or dining areas. You should only enter these spaces if you are on official business. Always knock before entering and remember to remove your hat as a sign of respect. At the gate, pay attention to the guard's instructions. For example, if it is raining, turn off your windshield wipers, and if it is dark, turn off your headlights. Avoid making comments that could be misinterpreted, such as telling a guard to stay warm or stay cool. Expect that all vehicles and individuals will be thoroughly checked, and be prepared for a professional interaction. Understanding the terminology used on military bases can also help. Army facilities are referred to as posts, while Air Force and Navy facilities are called bases, and Marine facilities are known as camps. Using the term installation can simplify communication. Overall, respecting security measures and customs is essential. Stay with your sponsor if you have escorted access, and follow all posted rules and instructions. By being aware of these customs, you can ensure a respectful and safe visit to a military base.